Introduction. Seed. A seed is formed by a fertilized ovule and pollen egg. It contains reserved food and protective coat. When the seed is sown in soil or kept in soaked wet cotton, a new plant appears from the embryo. Monocot seed. The seed having only one cotyledon is called monocot seed. For example, maize and wheat seed. Dicot seed. The seed having two cotyledons is called dicot seed. For example, gram and bean seed. Real-time example. To study the different parts of an embryo of a dicot seed is helpful to knowing about seed, seed formation, food in seed, embryo, cotyledons, epicotyl, hypocotyl, nutrients for embryo and seed coat. Apparatus required. Water-soaked seeds of pea, gram or red kidney beans, petri dish, forceps, needle, brush, simple microscope and slide. Procedure. Take 8 to 10 soaked seeds of pea, gram or red kidney beans. With the help of forceps, slowly remove the seed coat and study different parts of seed embryo. Now slowly remove the embryo axis with needle and place it on the slide. Observe these three parts of the seed obtained. Record your observations and draw diagrams. Observation. The seed has a small pore called micropyle. It is a dicot seed, that is, the seed has two cotyledons. The embryo axis shows radicle and plumule. The radicle is future root and the plumule is future shoot. The food is stored in cotyledons.